Isabel, continuing on the COVID front now, federal help is coming to Cleveland Clinic. This will happen next week. And this is all to help with the surge of COVID cases that we have seen here in Northeast Ohio. President Biden announcing the military medical teams today as Northeast Ohio may have actually passed Omicron's peak in terms of cases. Sarah Shookman learned details from the clinic and joins us now. Sarah, good evening to you.
Good evening, Jay. This is big. 20 U.S. Air Force medical professionals will be headed to the main campus next week to help with the number of patients Cleveland Clinic can care for. A team of 4 doctors, 14 nurses, about half of them with ICU training, and 2 respiratory therapists will allow the hospital to handle more transfers again. That staff will be here full-time for at least 30 days. Dr. Robert Wiley told me the clinic worked with the state to apply for FEMA help to boost their capacity and to help all of the hospitals in the state's Zone 1.
We've had a lot of caregivers who've gotten COVID, just like everybody else in the community. And even this morning, despite the fact that things are improving a little bit in Northeast Ohio, we still have over 900 caregivers out. And so these clinical people who are coming from the Air Force will help us staff at the main campus, help us expand our bed capacity a little bit and to take care of more patients.
That 900 is compared to 3,000 out last Friday, in part because they've activated the CDC's contingency staffing, where COVID positive people who feel well enough to come to work come back at 5 days, not 7. Now, the best news he's watching in Cuyahoga County is a drop in the number of cases. We went from an average of about 3,200 new cases a day a few weeks ago to 1,500 this morning. And we are still in the window now for hospitalizations to continue to crest. Jay, we know there's a week or 2 lag with those.
Yeah, interesting. On that note, Sarah, today marks the 3rd straight day in which the number of total COVID-19 patients in Ohio hospitals has actually gone down. It's going down incrementally, but it's certainly going in the right direction. Meantime, we haven't talked about our number of cases. Once again, 19,000 cases, and that marks 15 straight days, Sarah, where we've had between 18,000 and 20,000 new daily cases. So at least statewide, that number is holding steady. But the great news, as you said, here in Northeast Ohio, those cases appear to be on decline.
Yeah, it is substantial across the state. They're seeing it shift a little bit, maybe more of those cases bubbling up in central Ohio now.
Right.
Dr. Wiley told me today hospitalizations, at least here, are down about 10% already. So that's good.
Sarah Shookman live from the newsroom on What's New. Sarah, thank you.
Sure.